We are going to the other amenities of this condo, which is the clubhouse. So may swimming pool din dito. So pasukin natin. Here's the entrance. Pwede ka. Oh. Sorry, I don't speak English. We're just gonna check the place. Yes. Here's the clubhouse view, full 360. So ito yung ground floor. So sa harap lang siya ng ilog. Then here's the library. Here's the library, and it has free Wi-Fi as well. And may restroom din siya sa may baba. Here's the restroom. Pasok tayo sa men's restroom. Compact yet talagang maayos. So then let's go up, go to the second floor. So we are about to go up to check the second floor amenities. So, yung unang floor dito, this is the Pilates room. So, let's turn on the light. So, kaya maraming babayang gusto tong condo na to because of this said Pilates room. Then, off muna natin yung ilaw, labas tayo. We'll check the other amenities. Okay, this is the golf simulator. So let's turn on the light. So yan, kung gusto mong mag-try mag-golf, which I haven't tried, this is how you'll do it. So may simulator room siya kapag inon mo to, and it has a TV as well. So this is one of the other things that you could really enjoy on this condo. So let's turn it up and go to the other side. I think this is something that I really like as well. So as you could see, if you look at the amenities, I don't know where is the light, but as you could see, meron siyang game room. So I'm turning up the light. So ito yung game room. So ito medyo talaga nakaka-addict siya. So soon I'm gonna try this one. Then ito pa yung game room. Then there's a dart here. may pickleball ba to? I don't know kung anong tawag dito, I forgot. Then meron siyang dalawang billiard table, so you could really play it for free, no charge, and sobrang cozy niya. Maliit lang siya pero it has complete amenities. So then we're gonna go up para we could check the other amenities of this condo, which is the pool. So meron pang added pool dito. So ito yung pangatlong pool sa condo na to. So yung pool is matatagpuan sa 3rd floor. So here sa clubhouse. So akit tayo ng kaunti. So that's what you call it. Yeah, that's the swimming pool. So puntahan natin ang so kung view lang ang pag-uusapan, definitely walang tatalo sa view na to. So ito yung view sa 3rd floor ng clubhouse. So yun, nasa harap lang siya ng ilog. Then pwede kayo dito mag-date. So ito yung upuan. So nakaupo kayo dito, uupo kayo. Yung pagdating ng gabi, as you could see, ang ganda dito. Then meron din siyang sariling restroom dito. So may men's at saka women's. Tapos ito yung another pool. So kaharap siya exactly ng Politan Breeze, yung pinakaunang building. Itong building na mababa lang. Ito yung pinakauna nila. So that's the pool. Medyo malaki din siya at makakapag-enjoy ka. So here's the 360 view. So ito yung ano naman niya, ito yung sa may ilog na view. So pag upo nyo dito, pag nag-date kayo, ito makikita niya kasi medyo mainit. So it's better na gabi or early morning. Then if you go to the, ang gusto ko pa dito, if you go to the restroom, meron siyang specific locker na pwede mong ilagay yung gamit mo while you are enjoying. So at least hindi ka kakabahan na mawala. So pasok tayo sa restroom. Medyo madilim pero let's turn it on muna. So as you could see, ito yung restroom. Then at the same time, ito yung locker na pwede mong paglagyan ng mga gamit mo if you wanna swim. Then ito na yung ano, yung CR nila, pero sa labas meron na dong washing. So kung gusto mong magbanlaw after mong mag-swimming, so kaya napaka convenient at panalo ng condo na to because of its amenities. So now we're gonna go down again. Punta tayo dun sa ano, sa Riverview outside the clubhouse. So nila ko muna since wala talagang tao. So we're going down. We're going to the Riverview. This is the view from the second floor. Ito na yung dinaanan natin kanina, yung mga amenities sa second floor. Let's try to go down. Then we're gonna go out to check the river view. The name of the counter is this one. So we are now on the river view. So paglabas mo ng clubhouse, here's what you could see after mo mag-enjoy. So you really can relax and see a different perspective. So kaya sobrang panalo din talaga ng amenities na to, and it's one of the reason why I've selected this one, kasi nga sobrang dami niyang options. You're not stuck with something else, kasi yung iba, yes, they have amenities pero kulong lang sa isang place, pero ito sobrang dami. Isipin mo may 56th, meron 9th, meron pang clubhouse. So papunta tayo sa docking place. So ito, ilog na talaga to. Ito yung Chao Phraya River. I don't know kung pwedeng pumasok. I'll try to get in. I'll try to get in, but I couldn't get in. Let me open this up and try to get in. Okay, now I'm walking directly in the river, and yun, as you could see, jackpot, merong farmer, or sorry, merong nagfifish sa Chao Phraya River. So this is the view from the actual river itself. So wala lang, just changing the view, and it's the reason why I've selected this one. So yes, somebody is trying to fish in the Chao Phraya River. And yung tulay din na malaki sa bangko. I forgot the name of that one. So dito rin yung ferry dumadaan. So let me try to go back in. So ilak muna natin. So as you could see, ayan ang pinanggalingan ko. Trying to lock it now. Lock ko siya. Okay, now it's locked. So we're good to walk. So here's the other view. Malakad tayo sa kabilang side. Then tatagos na tayo sa actual condo itself. Pero yun nga, pag nandito ka na sa view na to, makikita mo kung gaano kalaki yung condo. So yan yung condo. And if we scroll all the way up, so hanggang 56th floor siya. Kaya talaga sobrang ano niya, sobrang laki niya. Then it has playground na maliit as well para sa mga kids. Daanan natin yan sa kabilang view. Ikot muna tayo. So here's the good thing about this one. So ito rin, may parking din dito. Meron din sa loob ng building. Pero ito yung mga added view niya. So ito yung mini amenities as well for the kids aside from sa 9th floor. So meron din dito. Pero yung game room sa taas, kapag 8 years old and above na yung kids nyo, mag-i-enjoy yun sa gaming room. Yung dinaan natin kanina. Then, pag ano natin dito, so galing tayo ng clubhouse, lumabas tayo, umikot. Then now, papunta na tayo sa actual condo itself. Mini Cooper, cute. So ito yung, kung just in case interested kayo sa condo, this is the best one that you could contact kasi directly connected sila sa condo itself. So sila yung, ito yung Politan Breeze, yung maliit. Politan Drive, yung tinitirhan namin, which is this one. Ito. Then yung Politan Aqua, yun ang isang kabilang bida. Ito naman. Yan. Then, we're back at the main lobby of the condo. So yun. It's the reason kaya talagang sobrang I enjoy it so much. So high level, let's try to give you a view of the lobby. So here's the view of the lobby. Tahimik, mabango, maayos, may design sa gitna, while also at the same time dito yung mga mailboxes for you, so you could just try to check kung ano yung condo mo. Then, and this is the full tour of the bottom portion of the condo, including the clubhouse. So labas na kami.